the exhaust pipe. Here's the end. Connects in here. To the motor. It's just got some grease and stuff on it. I'll let that sit in there for a few minutes. Got a little bracket here to take off. This just got some oil on it. Whoops. Basically just trying to get all the dirt off. Because when we started up, there's a lot of dirt and oil on this. It's going to make it smoke, I imagine, if it's not cleaned off a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but we'll give it the old try here. It's not too bad, actually. Got some text on here. Yamaha Kurzman Spark Arrestor, model KS-250, U.S. patent pending, approved U.S. Forest Service. So I guess it's okay to ride this up in the mountains, in the forest. It's not going to throw sparks out everywhere. Catch the forest on fire, so that's a good thing. Don't want Smokey the Bigger after us. I think that's pretty good. Throw a little Windex on this. Gotta clean all the dirt off. Okay, now I'm just going to put this stuff back together. Goes in like this. This side will just fit in like this on the bike itself. And then there's a couple of springs that wrap around it. But to keep it all together, let's do it like this right now. So it came out, you know, it's just missing some paint here. I might throw some high heat black paint on it before I put it all together. But anyway, we just wanted to clean it up, so got this all cleaned up, all the grease and stuff off of it. Okay, now let's see what we got to do next. That's where we're at now. Let's just take this off here. Take a look here. Okay, so it's coming along. I'm not actually sure what to try to do next. I want to clean the rust off these, and I'm not sure if these will just pop off. I don't think they're under tension now, so I should be able to just pull those off. I want to clean up all this dirt and stuff everywhere. I want to clean up all the chrome on the handlebars and the light. So just some dirt right now, I'm pretty much on stuff. So Uncle Gerald said he painted this cylinder head black. It was originally silver. I need to get a set of screwdrivers. These screws, I guess, are actually something called JIS, Japan Industry Standard. They're not actually Phillips. They got a little bit of a bend in one of the slots. So you can use a Phillips, but it doesn't quite fit in there perfectly. So I might end up, I can see where it's been taken off and causes some damage to the screw if you don't use that right kind of screwdriver. So I might actually get a set of those so I can use the right tools on this. Pretty much, I guess sometime I'm gonna have to take this whole wheel off, you know, because we need to put a new tire on here because of this cracking, and it's like worse every time I look at it. So I'm gonna have to take the wheel off to get to the tire, and I'm probably gonna change the front too at the same time, just get a whole new set. Even though this one's not as bad, it's still, you know, 50 years old. And plus I'm gonna get something with a little more different tread for riding it on the street, which is, I'm probably going to be riding on the street more than in the dirt on this thing. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just not sure which part to tackle next. Thinking about just kind of basically cleaning up stuff, and then I guess we'll take the wheels off. Yeah, or maybe the handlebars or something. You can see I'm not quite sure where to go from here. I got pretty much everything that I've taken off cleaned up, and it's all stored away, ready to go back on. And now it's just getting into the more, you know, difficult part of the engine. I mean, I got to rebuild the carburetor still. So yeah, that's where we're at. And we'll get it done. We'll get it done. We just got to decide what order to do things. Alright, thanks for watching. Got any suggestions? Leave a comment. We'll see you on the next one.